So this is the iPhone 12, and in my opinion, at this price point in 2023, this phone has so much going for it. Without a price of around £500, you get an amazing package, and here's why. This is why the iPhone 12 mini is an amazing phone in 2023. First off, the design. In my opinion, the design of this phone is amazing. Even though this doesn't have the newer iPhone 13-ish design with the cameras, honestly, it doesn't matter. I still love the design with this phone. Like, honestly, I think it's still one of the best things with this phone. We do have a 12 megapixel wide camera and a decent set of cameras on this phone, which provides great video recording and photo taking experience. And overall, the experience using this phone on a day-to-day basis is just amazing. Yes, we have 60Hz, but in the long run, 60Hz doesn't matter. Most of you don't even know what Hertz is, and I'm going to inform you, Hertz is just the amount of time the screen refreshes a second. I would say the video with this phone is pretty good. You know, it's got good stabilization, but like, that's not the point. This phone has loads of other features that you'll love to use. For example, in my opinion, the best thing about this phone is probably the display. It's not 60Hz as I've said, but it's just so fluid and it's really high quality, and it's a really high quality OLED display. Using this phone on a day-to-day basis is lovely. Its form factor means that it might be hard to use for some users, but in general, I'd say it's fine. Like, honestly, even though it's a bit small in the hand, it's still great and it's still an amazing phone to use. So I don't think, in this case anyway, the size of the phone matters too much. As well as this, the rounded corners, actually the boxy phone, I should say, the more box-like corners is really great. And I think it might be hard for some, but since this isn't a pro phone or anything, it isn't going to be that chunky in your hand. As mentioned before, a 12 megapixel wide and a 60 megapixel ultra wide camera with this phone provides great photos with great clarity and great colors. I think since these sensors aren't the newest, this will be alright for like point and shoot images, but like if you want to take proper good photos, I definitely do recommend some of the newer phones with the better cameras, since I think the camera department is obviously where this phone is lacking slightly, perhaps. As a daily driver, using this phone is amazing. It's an iPhone, which means you can expect all the great features that come with an iPhone, such as amazing compatibility with other Apple products, as well as loads of other features, such as great network connection. This is something that iPhones have been renowned for, and overall a great user experience overall. The phone's battery life is pretty good, I must say. You will have to charge it once or twice, but with modern features such as MagSafe these days and wireless charging, there is literally no limitations when it comes to battery life. Even though the iPhone 12 mini is said to have pretty bad battery life, honestly it's fine, and this phone will still last you probably a good 5 to 6 hours before you need to charge it. So yeah, it's fine overall. With this phone, we have the Product Red Edition, and yeah, I think the Product Red Edition obviously goes for a great cause, but like, generally speaking, the fact that Apple has this color is amazing. I think it's a really unique color. Like, you probably wouldn't expect anyone to kind of have a Product Red iPhone, like a red iPhone that's quite different, it stands out, and this is something that Apple is not, they don't usually do it, so it's great to see that we do have a kind of special edition with this phone. But yeah, overall, the design of this phone and the vibrant color with this specific model of the iPhone 12 mini is great. Overall, I think it's fair to say the iPhone 12 mini is underrated. It's an amazing phone that provides amazing features in 2023, and it definitely should be on your Christmas list, or I think Christmas probably might have passed by the time on this video, so maybe your birthday is in January, like a lot of my friends. Some of their birthdays is in Christmas, and then the next day is their birthday, so, well, the next, like on January the 1st is their birthday, so this is an amazing phone to go on your birthday list. It's cheaper than usual, and yeah, it's an amazing first iPhone in my opinion. You get an amazing feature set in a decent package, so yeah. It seems like a great first iPhone for beginners and teenagers who are looking for a new iPhone, and you don't really need anything more than this phone. iPhone 11 is probably even better if you're looking for something even cheaper and more low budget. But yeah, with this phone, the iPhone 12 mini, we have an amazing feature set. And there's so many reasons why this phone should be your first iPhone. Anyway guys, hope you guys enjoyed this iPhone 12 mini review, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!